everyone! Today we're going to make an origami crab. And this is what they look like. So get your piece of paper and let's get started. So the first step is you fold it in half like that so that it's a triangle. Make sure to inline the sides and corners. The more inline it is, the better your crab will. Next, you fold it in half again so that it's like a right triangle. It's a triangle with one right angle. After that, you open it up, and then you got this crust here. Now, you fold it in half again, but this time so that it looks like a rectangle. And also you should have like this 2 creases here. And then now you fold it in half again so that it's a mini square. Then you open it all up. And then we're going to try and turn it into a water bomb base. This is the triangular base. So that's how you do the water bomb base. Now you turn it over so that it's an upside down triangle, and then you fold this part down like that, and this will be one crab's leg. And then you fold it to the other side. And then now, you do the same for this side. You turn this part over because you're gonna have 4. You turn this one over like that, and then inline it with the fold that you just did. And then you fold it to the other side. And if you turn it over, it's gonna look like, sort of like a crown bookmark. Next, you turn it over, and then you fold this bottom part up to get this flat bit right here, because you don't want that to be like a raw edge. So then after that, you like this, you fold this up to get the 2 top legs. It's looking sort of like a crab. There's just one more thing we have to do. We have to fold this part up so that we get this flat bit here, because we don't want this part to be pointy. And all we have to do now is draw. So you get a pen, a texta, or a pencil. I'm using a pen, a black pen, and so we're only gonna draw the eyes because the mouth would be under here. But you don't need to draw it on here because this under part's not gonna be seen. So you draw 2 eyes, 1 and 2. They can be in any style you like. You can, but I'm just doing 2 dots. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe, press the notification bell, and share this with others. I congratulate you for finishing an origami crab.